OnePlus 13's camera design is not going to look like this, neither like this, but it will be totally different from its all predecessors. Some interesting news coming in regarding the OnePlus 13's camera design, or you can say the layout for the OnePlus 13, and looks like OnePlus is going all different this time. OnePlus 13 is coming next month with almost no bezels and a 6.8 inches display with 120Hz refresh rate, and we will be getting a new rear camera design this time. So the camera island of the OnePlus 13 is gonna look something like this. Yes guys, Digital Chat Station recently shared this layout for OnePlus 13's camera island, and you can see it's all different from OnePlus 12 or even from OnePlus 11. We have these 4 sections for the camera sensors here, as you can see. Now as per the sources, there will be 3 camera sensors in OnePlus 13, but this layout says something else. It looks like OnePlus 13 will have quad camera setup this time, or this 4th one could be the flashlight or any other sensor like radar or something else. So it's really great to see something really unique from OnePlus at this time when every other smartphone brand is equipping their old camera designs. Digital Chat Station have also mentioned there will be 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So OnePlus 13 will be having 6000 milliamps of battery with Glacier technology, which will have a great effect in reducing mobile's thickness. And OnePlus 13 would still be very similar despite of this much bigger battery. OnePlus is going all out in their charging capacities. Yes guys, some sources have confirmed that OnePlus 13 will be having 100 watts of wired charging and 50 watts of wireless charging, which is insane. On the front we will see a 6.8 inches LTPO display with 1440 by 3168 resolution and micro curvature design on all sides. OnePlus will be implementing the best of the best ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is going to work in dusty and rainy environments very easily. So we do have the OnePlus 13's Geekbench scores as well. It's 3216 single core and 10051 multi-core scores, and in comparison with iPhone 16's Geekbench scores, the OnePlus takes lead at multi-core scores, as you can see on this chart, which seems like a serious problem for Apple. Digital Chat Station has also confirmed that OnePlus 13 will have IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance ratings, which are great to use the phone in tough environments. Other than that, OnePlus 13 is having maxed out memory this time, which will be 24GB LPDDR5 RAM, which means more efficient multitasking. So yeah guys, that's all for the OnePlus 13. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.